Right then, so this has been a long time coming. Race truck, in the back it's scruffy and horrible and needs a fettling. So let's have a look at what we're going to do and see how we do it. So they've already started it. I were a little bit late to this party and I've got this dirty just picking stuff up and putting it down. But basically all this just looks minging. So we're going to basically go around and we're scratching off every eye spot, filling in any hole, and then we're going to get the Raptor, which Raptor kindly provided probably a year ago now when we just had time to do our weight. So we'll get cracking, maybe turn this into a video, I don't know. There's a lot of work and we're going to a track day in less than a week's time. It's test day, should I say. So fingers crossed and get it sorted. So, not sure how much footage they got yesterday because I weren't here, but on Tuesday it was ridiculous how much work we had to get done. It takes forever, stuff like this. Not a big fan of sanding and definitely not a big fan of painting, so I'm going to leave that to Dean and Glenn. But I think we've sort of come up with a bit of an idea to, we're going to roller where we can just to keep the overspray down and just spray where we have to. And I think that should get a nicer finish. I don't know, we'll see. Because it's all flat areas, it should be good. If it were like a car, rolling a car would be a nightmare. But yeah, we'll see what we're going to do. I think we're going to probably end up using about 40 litres of Raptor, which at today's prices seems to be a lot of money. It's going to be like $1,000 worth of material. So you tell me what you think a job like this would cost if you're paying somebody workshop rate to do it, because it won't be cheap. But it needs to be done, it needs to be right. Scott, every time he looks in the back of this trailer, says we should have bought a brand new one, which would have cost 10 times what this one costs. I don't know where his maths are coming from, but anyway, as long as he's happy, that's the main thing. So yeah, we're not going to do the roof inside here just because it's already silver and it's not too bad. I think there's no point, we're not gaining anything from doing that. If there are any holes in it and any leaks, we'd do it outside and inside and seal it up, but we've not. So yeah, hopefully, not be too long, and they'll be sticking some paint on this anyway. So, getting cracking with this. Dean's got most of it done. I think the floor wants another coat if possible. The walls are pretty much done now. A couple little bits that want touching in. Worked out all right. I think it'd have been nice to go a bit more of an even finish, but these rollers decided to just drop to bits, which they were the proper Raptor ones, and apparently these are not solvent compatible, so we need to get some new ones, so we'll sort that out for the final coat on the floor tomorrow. But yeah, we're pushing it fine. It's Friday afternoon now. This is going to be fully loaded up and ready to take 3 cars and tons of equipment on Tuesday. So we best hurry up. Cars are not ready either, so we've a lot to do. So I'm just swooping in to take the glory here. If there's any glory with what this is. Dead raid. So we're in the back of the truck and it's absolutely rammed full of stuff, so we can't get any nice like arty shots of what it looks like. But the floor's grey, the walls are white. We now have 2 microwaves on what I can only describe as the worst bit of bracketry I've ever seen, but they're not going to fall off what it looks. So yeah, they're sorted. Andy sorted us out with this lovely worktop. This is actually recycled from my mum's kitchen because she spent too much on it. I had to do it in 2 pieces, but rather than spending 100 quid on a new piece, got probably, I don't know how much my mum paid for it. It was thousands when she had it put in the kitchen. So all that's left to do in here is basically organise it, which we'll do another video on organisation. I think, are people interested? Let us know if you're interested. We can do a video on like all the flight case and how we've got them organised, and then people can tell us how we can do it better, or just learn how we've figured it out over the last few years. It works for us-ish. But yeah, all I've got to do, oil it, sand this down, oil it, and then, yeah, go racing, basically. So thank you for watching. Thank you to everybody for putting effort in to get this sorted. It's been a lot of work, but it looks tons better, so very happy.